All right, so today I'm working on a Bobcat zero-turn riding mower, and the mower has been in repeatedly with an oil leak, and it's power washed, and they can't find the leak, and then it's power washed, and we can't find the leak. So one tool every mechanic should have in their toolbox is baby powder. I did a video like this about, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago on how you can find any oil leak or hydraulic leak with baby powder, and it really does work. Basically, you're going to sprinkle the powder all over the motor, the base of it, and for leaks that are hard to find, you just walk away from it or let the engine run, and you will see a trail forming through the baby powder, and you'll be able to trace exactly where it's coming from. So we're going to put it on this motor, and we'll see how fast we can find it. It might be right away, it might be tomorrow. Here's the culprit right here, and basically this is power wash now. This whole base was covered in oil, at least like a 1/4 inch thick. It was real bad on both sides. So we're just going to take the baby powder, and we are going to put it all over the base here. As you can see, it looks like winter time, and we did both sides. All right, so now we're going to start this motor up, let it run, and then we should be able to see any oil that's leaking out. If it's bad, it'll be immediate. If not, then we'll have to let it sit overnight and check it in the morning. So the machine is running behind me. We're going to give it about 10 minutes or so, then we're going to go shut it off, and we're going to see what we find. I shut the machine off. I only let it run about, I would say about 8 minutes or so. Just had to come in and grab my phone, and we found our leak right away already. Right there at the base. It's wet. It's leaking from underneath of the motor, which tells me, and you can actually see it, I don't know if you can see it, but it's running down the back of the baby powder down there. Let's come around here. You see it all wet. That's the trail. So that's going to be the shaft seal underneath. Watch my video that's above this one, because what I'm going to try to do is put some stop oil leak in there. Because it is an older mower, and we're not sure if we want to go through the headache or pulling the whole motor out and replacing the seal. We don't know how much longer we're going to be using that mower. So what we're going to do is try to put some stop oil leak in there and see if it works. And I'm actually going to do a review on the stop oil leak. And if it works, then it'll be great for you, and you won't have to pull the motor and do that seal. If it doesn't work, we're going to probably have to pull the motor. Hit subscribe below. Please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video.